Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G51 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the ring and notification button panel. Just to enable the silent mode on your device, you should swipe here to the left side with your finger, or also we can do that by the second way, just by using our volume buttons here on the right side of the device. You just should press one from your volume buttons, that doesn't matter which one that will be. And here you'll see the bell icon, just tap twice here and you will see that all your calls and notifications will be muted. That means that we just turn it on the silent mode on our device. And if you want to turn it off, just tap here only once on this bell icon, and as can you see, our calls and notifications will ring. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.